Hi, I'm Ian Burns, and I'm the president of Applied Control Engineering. We implement a full range of OT solutions spanning the complete project lifecycle, from system design, detailed design, implementation, commissioning, and startup. We work in a wide variety of industries. Some of the key ones are chemicals, oil and gas, life sciences, food and beverage, power generation, central utilities, and air separation. We believe our greatest strength is that we're a group of experienced professionals that's excited and committed to solving the challenges that our customers are continually presenting us. It's not hard to imagine how you can draw a line from that strength to our ability to deliver the right solution for our customers' need, whether it's automation and control, MES/MOM, cybersecurity, or digital transformation. All across American industry, there's a skills shortage, and that's hampering our end users' ability to deliver internal projects and upgrades at a pace that makes them competitive in the marketplace. So we partner with end users in every engagement to ensure that we become part of that team to drive successful projects. Those might be traditional modernization or MES/MOM projects and cybersecurity. It's those long-term relationships that have borne themselves out and are reflected in our mission statement and the repeat businesses our customers have honored us with over the past 30 years.